Hi guys, today I want to tell you how to make cool unboxing video on TikTok. And the example of the video is like this. Just like that guys, and how to do that, let's do that. First is you can record your first video by drop this box, just box or anything. Just like this. And that's for the first shoot, and it's for the next shoot is open the box and you can see this. Just do this shot. Like that. And now you go to your editor video, just like for example I want to use CapCut on my phone, and you can import your first and your second video, just like drop the box and drop the shoes. And you can see how to edit it is you can click the second of your video and then you can make it reverse by searching for a tool. Here it is the reverse tool, and click and wait for the program reversing your video and reverse applied. And you can also customize the video by you can crop at the drop of box. You can crop that, and then you'll find your video just like this. And for the best experience, we can searching for the box that been fallen and open. It's like this, and you can see the result. Just like that. How to make that cool video, you can add audio, and before you do that you can turn off the volume of your video. For more cool, just click your video, click volume and drag that to 0, and you can add audio for better experience, like whatever. I think I want to use stunts. Click, and this is the result. It's like that. And that's how this video, how to make that cool video. This is the way. Look, it's so easy, right? And you can see the result. You can export that. Voila, and your video is ready. And that's how to make that video. I hope it can be useful. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.